unbox these beautiful shoes. Today I'm going to review these Dr. Martens Zebzag 8-tie lace-up leather boots. Please watch the whole video to find out are they worth it. So I bought this Dr. Martens Zebzag leather boots on a big discount. The full price was 210 euros and I bought it for only 90 euros. I think these leather boots have a premium look. They're very beautiful. They have this huge sole. Sole is 5 centimeters thick. This is the real cowhide leather. It has double stitching. On some places it has triple stitching. This front part has double layer of leather. It's almost like you have a steel cap, but it's not. It is a double layer of leather. They have this beautiful yellow stitching here, this distinctive mark from Dr. Martens. The outsole has this Goodyear welt. You can see the layers. You can see this part here, which is cut with hot knife, and this bottom part, which is not same material like this. This is little harder than this sole. When we are talking about sole, they had very nice grooves here, very nice threads. They additionally have these smaller grooves on every of this thread. This thread depth is pretty big, so I think these shoes will be great for walking outdoors on a mud, snow, or any kind of slippy material. Here is cross with Dr. Martens logo. On the back side of the boots, we have this strap which says with soles bouncing. That means that inside is cushioning that helps you when you walk, so the boots are very easy to wear. I don't know if you can see inside, there is Dr. Martens logo. The materials inside are very plushy and very nice to touch. The laces are thick brown laces, very simple ones. This boot has 8 tie holes. The first 6 are holes, and the last 2 are these beautiful brass parts. You can see here also small DMS stamp on them. This part here is suede, and this is real leather. When we talk about comfort, they are comfortable from the first time you wear them. They have so plushy inside, and they are very soft from the inside, so they are very comfortable from the first time you wear them. Only this part here, it is not wide, it is little narrow, and because this is double layer of leather, it may take some longer period to break out, but they are comfortable even from the first time, but when they break out, I think then I will wear them with the thicker socks than the first time. I think the look is the one of the best and design I ever saw. That was why I bought them in the first place. I think they look so rugged, so chunky. I simply love them. This outsole is beautiful. This Goodyear welt, this stitching, this leather, everything on these boots is perfect. I will now compare it to my older Caterpillar Colorado boots. Well, this is my old Caterpillar Colorado boots. They are 10 years old. They are almost like new now. Brown cow leather. They have this beautiful Caterpillar logo, this beautiful text here. Beautiful. They have 3 centimeters deep sole, but when you compare it with this, you can simply see the difference. These Dr. Martens are monster for these Caterpillar boots. I mean, only advantage that is about these Caterpillar boots is I think they are a little wider here, not because these are not wide models like this, that because this boot has double layer of leather, this don't, and they stretch little more easy than this. But these are, I think, better for protection, like they have a steel cap. When we are talking about weight, they are approximately the same weight, about 900 grams each shoe. So for the pair of shoe, it is almost 1 kilo and 800 grams. I think this is the best boots that I ever bought. I like them very much. So if you can find discount on pages like Best Secret where I bought them or directly on Dr. Martens website, go for them, buy them. They are so beautiful. The first day that I bought them, 3 of the 4 persons asked me about these boots. They are so eye-catching. Everybody loves them. This is the unisex model, so you can boot them for men or women. They are so beautiful. So guys, thank you for watching this review. Please like this video and see you in my next video. And subscribe, of course, for my channel. Bye bye.